Loose Garden.
Hi, welcome Loose Garden. And today we are going to cook the Southern green bean. Don't forget, subscribe, sign up, and like, and comment for our video. Southern green bean is a very simple way to cook the green bean and very tasty. And we have the ingredient on the table. We have a green bean and a potato, bacon. Everybody loves bacon. And the fresh garlic, butter, and the red onion, and the vinegar, and the broth. Now let us cut the bacon first. Yay! Let us cut the bacon. 我们切这个培根。If you like our channel, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like it. 如果喜欢我们的频道，千万别忘了订阅、点赞和留言。First, we cook bacon at a medium heat. We will 用中档火先炒这个培根肉。Okay, bacon is done. Now we put in 3 tablespoons butter and a little milk. Then I will put in the red onion and the chopped it and the garlic too. Then we get stir fry together. Then we can put everything, potato and the green bean and vinegar, chicken broth all in there. Then we cook together. 然后加上我们的四季豆 green bean， potatoes 土豆，我们培根 bacon。Salt and pepper, 黑胡椒和盐。鸡汤 broth, chicken broth, and then a little bit of vinegar. Oh, smells so good. It looks good. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and give us likes.